In these hot summer days, are you craving something cold? Let's make a Nutella milkshake that's not only refreshingly cold but also is packed with chocolatey goodness. Perfect for all you chocolate lovers out there. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Come on. Start by scooping some vanilla ice cream into the blender, then pour in 1 cup of cold milk, followed by a 1/4 cup of mouth-watering Nutella. Blend everything together until smooth. If you're enjoying my video so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to my channel Starfood to support me as I continue to grow. Next, apply Nutella on 2 small medium-sized glasses. So let's move fast forward without wasting time. And there you go, it's ready. Next, I'm gonna stick some walnuts to the Nutella. Doesn't this look so appetizing and nice? Then pour some delicious Nutella shake on each glasses. And top it with some creamy whipping cream. At the end, add some grated chocolate at the top of the whipping cream. So now this delicious summer drink Nutella milkshake are ready to be enjoyed. If you're a fan of Nutella, I have one more video for you. Check out my Nutella pancakes. So bye and take care.